Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Mighty Spencer Speak. Today I will be talking about the Oort Cloud and what it is. Enjoy! The Oort Cloud is a spherical cloud which is made out of mostly comets. The cloud surrounds our solar system and was coined from a person called Jan Oort in 1950. The Oort Cloud is located as far as 100,000 times from the Sun, with Earth's distance being the scale. The Oort Cloud is known for housing long-period comets. The comets from the Oort Cloud come into the inner solar system at any given time. Because the Oort Cloud is so far away, there is not much data to be observed about for now. Now that we know a bit about the Oort Cloud, we need to know about its origin. The main hypothesis that scientists have come up with is that when the solar system starts, a huge cloud of dust and gas circles the Sun. After a while, gravity sucks in the icy rocks, making planets. As lots of debris is left from the formation of planets, the planet's gravity starts pushing certain debris far away. After many thousands of years, what was left of the large clustered rocks was the Oort Cloud. The debris was pushed so far away that they were light years away from the Sun and many astronomical units away from Neptune. The Oort Cloud transformed into a sphere, engulfing the entire solar system. Hello guys, and thanks for watching this YouTube video on the Oort Cloud. I really like the idea of astronomy and how there are so many things in the universe. I hope big companies like NASA and SpaceX will put more money for research on the Oort Cloud. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Bye bye.